We're Immobiliser fit. This is a 2020 Porsche Macan secured with a Starline Immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, broke into your house, stole it, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, starts up, when they go to drive it away, it's going to cut out, meaning they're unable to drive it. So with the Starline Pro, you can start the car, go through a unique code, 1234 we have for now, hear that disarm tone and drive away. Or simplest method, have your Bluetooth phone on in your pocket. When you get in the car next, just pop the key in, start up, and you can drive away. No need to waste time with a push sequence. Just have your Bluetooth on, phone in your pocket with an adjustable range, and the vehicle's going to fire up. Customer can obviously set their own code on this, so the way they'll do that is turn the ignition on and disarm the system. So we have our phone in our pockets, we've heard it disarm. If not, you do the code. Then we'll press one of the buttons 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cycle the ignition off and back on. And we get 5 bleeps. So we'll just change the code to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation and then repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the same confirmation. And that's the code learnt. We can turn the car off. Time they get in the vehicle, they'll pop the key in, start it up, go for their new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, hear the disarm tone and drive away. If they're taking it for a service and want to turn the whole system off, they can do it in the app, or with the buttons they can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 presses on any button, turn the car off, back on. We get 2 bleeps, now it's a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Porsche, they'll start the car, obviously hear no melody, system won't stall out, turn it off completely. It's just like a normal vehicle. Porsche aren't going to know there's anything fitted. When you get it back, just turn the ignition on, pop your code in like you normally do if you're using the code. This time you receive 2 bleeps, which confirms it's out of valet mode. So if we give it 10 seconds to set, then try attack the vehicle without our code or our phone in the vehicle or Bluetooth off, you're going to see it stalls out. So we start it, select the gear, vehicle cuts out, confirm we've taken it out of service mode. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 2020 Porsche Macan S. Thanks for watching.